the last day of Vlogmas. When I get there. I can't wait.
Here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Vixen and all his reindeers pulling.
Hi guys, so this video is so late. I was supposed to upload this video last year. Yes, I was supposed to upload it last year, but I didn't finish on time and I fell ill, so it is coming up now. I'm so sorry guys. This is Vlogmas 9, 10, 11 and 12. I decided to put all of them inside one video because there was no time, guys. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I promise to be better, way better in the next Vlogmas. So yeah, please don't forget to subscribe, let me know what you think in the comment section, and share this video with your friends, guys. Thank you so much. Okay, bye.
Hey, Common, it's me. I've been thinking about you lately. I miss you. Call me back.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Vlogmas Day 10. You guys, I have been postponing this video. I've wanted to set up my Christmas tree since last week or 2 weeks ago, and I've just been so busy with school and everything. I've had exams, you guys, and it has really even messed up my upload schedule. Is bad. But yeah guys, I'm going to set it up today. I'm going to set it up right now, and yeah, I just hope everything turns out very well and it looks beautiful at the end. Anyway, yeah, so yeah, if you want to see me setting up my Christmas tree and everything, please keep on watching this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Okay, let's get to the video. So guys, these are all the stuff that I got, and that is the Christmas tree over there. I feel like this part of the house is the best part to set up the Christmas tree because my house is pretty small, so the other places are tight. I want to set it up in an open space, so I'm going to be putting it around here. Guys, this is going to be my first time setting up a Christmas tree. I've never done it before. I'm just attempting, so I hope it turns out well. I hope it turns out okay. I beg. So now I'm going to put the star on top of it. It's a blue star.
In December, we give our gifts, wishing well to our world. Peace on earth to everyone. A time to be joyful when all is calm and all is bright. But why does it change with the seasons? And why can't we just hold on to silent nights, holy nights, and angels singing lullabies, and heaven and nature singing goodwill to all, to all.
Hi guys! Merry Christmas! Hi guys and welcome to Vlogmas Day 12. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to the last day of Vlogmas. Guys, it's Christmas Day today. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a good time. I know it doesn't really feel like Christmas because this year has just been, but I hope everybody is having a nice time. I hope you're trying to enjoy yourself today. Just hope everybody's chilling right now and just, you know, being with family, friends, loved ones, and just having the best time. Right now I'm going out. I'm having a get together with a few of my friends. So I'm going to an apartment and then we're just going to have like a mini party type thing. Just going to have fun, try and enjoy ourselves, and yeah, that's pretty much what I'm going to be doing for Christmas. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I get there. I'm going there right now, so let's go.
Oh guys, look at the fog. Everywhere is so foggy. Look. Dobry wieczór. We really packed the whole world. So we had our own house. Picture.
Say hi. This night shopping.
Oh my god! No, this is not the way we used to come. It is. Sandra, you can't remember. You're just feeling it. Oh, look at you. They look like this. The brown one.
Sandra. You guys, Miss Sandra. Say hi. Miss Shalom. Shalom, say hi. Hey, Jesus. It's Eshi. My vlog. Shalom. Jesus. And Joy. Say hi. Oh my God. Sandra. Woo. Hey, sure. Look at that. Ooh. People have been taking selfies since morning. Guys, here. So I've just been eating and these ones I've been taking pictures since, and I've also taken pictures to share. So I'm just tired, you guys. I'm so tired. My lashes have been lifting, so I can't wait. I don't want to take pictures because my lashes just been lifting. Yeah, I have. Make time play you, make her set you. After that, we'll change the outfit. After that, we'll do facial mask. After that, we'll now paint our toenails. Which one is paint toenails now? Hey! It's that real. Oh yeah. We're doing it again. Shalom and there. It's different. This Shalom and this lollipop stuff. Okay, it's not something else. Shalom. I want to. Shalom. That joy would they feel very, but not with this. Where joy with this? Like crazy, I'm like jump on.
Hey, speak to me kindly. I'm the type of girl